get it. Three months is broke. These things are so handy. Blood. Boy, what the heck? I did say. Where's our button? Bro, he needs energy switch. He's ready as to I can thin out even more. I'm so tired of price checking. 111, definitely. 1 Ultra Ball, 1 Rare Candy, 2. Okay, I got. Okay, what's missing? Ultra Ball, Rare Candy, Ultra Ball, Rare Candy. Research Iono, Dusknor, and Dusknor. Alright. I'm gonna let the dude. Sweet. What do you have to get rid of? I have to get rid of Squawk, that's it. Oh, not research. Okay, so he has water energy. He can get, what is it called? Giovanni? Not Giovanni, Fox Skeleton. Get Latiana. Retreat, and then you can do the torrential pump. You can do it, just go for it. Wait, he attached there. Wait, did he not get knocked out Sparkling Crystal? Sparkling Crystal, yeah. The heck? Yo, what the heck? Wait, did he not get knocked out? I was so confused. I'm actually so confused. Did he not get knocked out last time? Crazy how we make it a ball. That's more. These hands are crazy, bro. What are these hands? What are these hands? We'll just start chipping away at blood. Or should we chip away at knockdown? Who should we start chipping away at? Blood Moon could be good as well. I feel like Blood Moon is pretty good. Nice. Why did he not evolve? Never mind. This hand is low. 15. No, he's still behind it. Nice. I could get another just goal. He's gonna, if he kills 2, then there's no point. Ooh, dang. Cow catches are all there. Bro, another one? What? What is this? What would he do? Is they expect his prime catcher? What can I do? So I could trade in, get double knockout. And all we would need to do is energy switch twice. still again. Bro, what is he trying to do? This is hilarious. I could take a knock on a trap him. Oh no, Damn. This is so annoying. What am I waiting? I need for him to take on the camera. Yeah, because he'll just have it if I... He's waiting on something and I need to start drawing. Fudge, I should have put it on the mute, but looking back. How many more candies? It's working. What's it called? I need to discard this. Yes. No, there's no even there. No. No, I could get to this more. Fudge. I could get to this more. Why I leave that now? What's in there? It's Iona Research. He's gotta do something more. Cause what would I need? What's in there? It's Iona Research. Iona Research Ultra Ball Rare Candy. Ultra Ball Rare Candy and what else? Ultra Ball Rare Candy. Yeah, I think it's over.